Okay, another song for both hands in middle C position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, making sure the thumb is shared with number 1's the thumb, and then the fingers in consecutive white keys. This is This Old Man. It's one I learnt when I was quite young myself. So, this is what it will sound like. In order for us to get it to sound like that, we'll begin with the finger numbers. We go 2 right hand, 2 left hand, 2 right hand. Same again. 2 in the right, 2 in the left, 2 in the right. On the right still, 3, 2, go to the left hand, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Up to the right, 2, down to the left on 4, 2 fast 4s, and a slow 4. So it's slow, fast, fast, slow. So 4, 4, 4, 4. Now we're going to run from 4 up to 1, all fast. 4, 3, 2, 1. So 4, 3, 2, 1. Right hand plays 2, 2 again, and the rest is on the left hand. 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the note names this time: D, B, D, D, B, D, E, D, middle C, B, A, B, C, B, G, 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 A, B, C, D, D, A, C, B, A, G. That's This Old Man.